Thanks for joining us on Valley News Live. As we glide through our Thursday, we look ahead towards some unsettled weather next week. We've issued a first alert weather day. It's for Wednesday for a storm system that is going to make its way up from the south. Now, we are expecting it to begin on Tuesday for many, but it'll begin as rain, changing with and mixing with some icy conditions by late. Snow and wind combine though overnight and into Wednesday morning, and that's when the widespread impacts will be most likely, and that's why Wednesday is a first alert weather day. So expect that rain and mix on Tuesday late in the afternoon and mainly in the south, and then as we head into the Wednesday morning time frame, wind and snow combine to create some tricky travel for many. Measurable snow, and in some areas models indicate it could be more than 4 inches. So we'll keep you posted on that, and of course the track and timing can always change, and we'll keep you up to date with the latest. Make sure you download the Valley News Live weather app. Search VNL Weather in the App Store today. And we have forecast videos on there, short ones to keep you updated onto track and timing of this system, among others, right there on the app. That's why it's better than some of those national ones that come right on your phone. Get rid of those, would you? Here's a look at the European model, which has really done the best out of the two major models for long-term forecasting. Now showing that we could have that wintry mix beginning late Tuesday. So some icy conditions that by Wednesday night after 10 o'clock becomes all snow. The wind increases as this system works its way northward and eastward into Wednesday midday. So we still could have impacts for the Wednesday afternoon impact and drive. We'll keep you posted on that. Again, midweek next week. Current conditions now 7. Doesn't feel very lucky because it feels like 2 below. 5-mile-per-hour winds though, down from gusts over 35 miles per hour. If you just had your hair done, you might want to cover it up with one of them, I don't know, nets. I was wearing a net the other day just to keep everything in place. All right, 5 degrees in Grand Forks and west-southwest winds, 7 miles per hour. Temperature change over the last 24 hours. This time last night, we were 25 degrees warmer in Detroit Lakes and almost 30 degrees warmer across much of northwest Minnesota. A big time drop over what we experienced yesterday. 3 Thief River Falls, Fosston and Crookston, 5 for Grand Forks, 7 above in the Devil's Lake area, out towards Bemidji at 6 degrees, 9 in Moorhead, 3 for Detroit Lakes, 2 below in Candu. Your neighbors to the west in Rolla have 18 above. Amazing. Wind chills are below 0 as we have just a little bit of wind left. Most places under 10 miles per hour. Crystal clear skies, quiet conditions for us. By morning, patchy areas of clouds will be developing. We're expecting temperatures to stay coolest off to the east where the clear skies will persist the longest, but the clouds will actually begin warming temperatures out to the west. You're going to be warmer than you are about now as we head into the morning hours. Temperatures rise, wind increases a bit. It'll be around 15 miles per hour. A few of us see gusts higher than that. Late day sunshine, driving temperatures into the 30s south and for a few of our western counties in the James River Valley, possibly in the Devil's Lake Basin as well. Temperatures closer to 25 to 30 degrees across western Minnesota. Quiet for your Friday night, a little breezy. But all in all, those breezy conditions will hold temperatures for a nice springboard start to your weekend. I said spring. It's going to be warm. Not spring warm, but warm. 9 by the time we get into the 8 o'clock hour tomorrow morning in Fargo. Flatline temperatures in those mid-20s for much of the afternoon and early evening hours with south winds and west winds that will pick up a little bit late in the day, 15 miles per hour. So temperatures near 30 for most of northwest Minnesota. Will be in the 30s along the South Dakota border and the James River Valley for a fair, a little breezy, close to your work week. We're going in the right direction as temperatures this weekend will start out in the 20s and will be in the 30s for our afternoon highs. And yes, we'll see some sun. First alert Bert will be suffering big time from this. Monday, yeah, not too bad. We'll keep the mild. Okay, some lovely weather on your Tuesday early, but things change as we go into the afternoon. Rain, a mix, maybe some slippery conditions from your return home from date night. It does look like temperatures will be falling on your first alert weather day on Wednesday. Wind and snow combining with some accumulations. We'll keep you posted as to track and timing.
That's a pretty nice stretch though for mid-February.
Absolutely.
We can't complain.
No. I'm glad. No, I jest. Yeah.